everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am reviewing another beauty for you, and it is Gabby. Her name is Gabby, and here's a picture of the stock card. I am wearing her in a 1B, and she's from the Outre line. I'll go over all of the specifications shortly, but let's go ahead and take a look at Gabby. She's cute, she's adorable, and I'm looking away in my mirrors. So if you see me looking away from the camera, that's what I'm doing. She's a beauty. So let's go ahead and let you see the back of the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and push all of the hair back. So hopefully you'll be able to see the length of the wig. Let me get it straight. Alrighty, let me turn around so that you can see the back and the sides of Gabby. Hopefully you were able to see her. I'm gonna move the hair around, and if I stand up, this is the length for Gabby. Hopefully you're able to see that. Now, if you didn't want, as you can tell, there are bangs, but you can style this wig. You can actually take a piece of the hairs and tuck one side behind your ears and then throw it over your shoulder. And I'm gonna come up so you can see the color. This is a 1B. The hair is very soft. Again, we'll go through the specifications shortly. If you didn't want to do just that one side, you can actually tuck some hair, and let me get my comb. You can tuck the other side, comb your bangs down, tuck the other side behind your ear as well. And that's a different style, different look for you. Throw it back over your shoulders if you like that. Again, if you don't, you could take one and just leave it that way, but comb the rest of it down and just kind of play with it. This is a very youthful wig for those persons who have longer hair. And again, those colder months we are approaching, you may want to consider getting a longer wig. I do like bangs. If you're a person who don't want to cut your own hair, getting a wig that already have the bangs is ideal. I mean, I think people get hung up on the idea of it being a wig. No one cares about that. Simply do you. That's what I say to people. Live your life. Stop worrying about what people might say. Who cares? Alrighty, so there we go. This is Gabby. We'll talk about the specifications shortly, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. See you soon. Let's talk about specifications, shall we, for this beautiful wig. So if I turn it inside out, I can see, just as the other wig standard, you have your band in the back where you can make the adjustments. But I do notice there aren't any combs, no combs, not even in the back. It's just the adjustable band. So be mindful of that when you're purchasing Gabby, that there aren't any additional combs that would make it secure. So you can add your combs if you like, or you can simply adjust the band in the back so that it will be secure. So come back and find out my final thoughts regarding Gabby. Also, before I go, I did in the specifications, almost forgot. I wanted to read some of the key features for this particular wig. So for Gabby, which again is a synthetic full wig, she has a range of trendy colors and styles that she comes in. It's ready to go and wear. and is heat styling friendly. And this particular wig has heat resistant fibers, and it is safe up to 400 degrees. So if you wanted to add heat to this particular wig, have at it, up to 400 degrees. So I just wanted to add that information. Again, sometimes I forget when I'm talking about the specifications. So here's the stock card. I'm going to show that to you again. This is Gabby, and I'm going to finish the video by giving you my final thoughts. So stay tuned. Final thoughts on Gabby. I actually like Gabby. Gabby is one of those synthetic full wigs that allow you to get ready in a snap, okay? I literally took her out the pack. I played with the bang area here a little bit, and that was it. I was ready to go. I do like the fact that all of these, the Wigpop from Outre, their lines, it is all about the ready to wear and go look. You don't spend hours in the mirror trying to prep it. It's just ready to go. You put it on and you're literally out of the door. And so for me, that's what fascinates me with the whole idea of wigs. It saves me time. If I have to do a lot on hair, I would rather than spend that same time doing my own versus wearing a wig. That's the whole purpose of me wearing them, is because of the efficiency. So I hope you like Gabby. I love Gabby. She's that kind of wig you put on and you just go. It is that simple. So for me, I actually love it, and I think you will too. Check the description box for all of the different colors where you can purchase the wig. Also, while I have your attention, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you like the video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up for me, if you don't mind. I really would appreciate it. I do want to take a few minutes to give a shout out to my wonderful, beautiful family that came to visit me here in Tennessee, to my son, my daughter, my granddaughter, to my mother, and to my, and I'm about to throw some shade here, maybe future son-in-law. I want to thank them so much for traveling to Tennessee to see me. I really enjoyed having them. For my family who weren't able to come and join me on Thanksgiving, I want to say that I hope your Thanksgiving was as enjoyable as mine. To all of my, to my sisters, because I have sisters, and my brother, to my niece and nephew, I want to say I miss you guys. To my daddy who wasn't able to come, I love you all dearly. To a host of aunts, uncles, cousins, I'll see you guys really, really soon. Until next time, take care of each other and also yourself.